Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Now let's get it all in perspective. For y'all enjoyment and y'all niggas testing, confessing that y'all niggas equal lesson. That's right, man, it's me back in testing, saying, no, I can't do this. You niggas know I'm like hope, the next blueprint, my flow so plastic, Jurassic. Shit's plastic, my shit's stretching out, nigga, elastic. Niggas is winning, I'm sitting beginning. You niggas know I switch your whole life on, nigga. Call me Lennon. I stretch it out and I break it apart. You niggas know beef is what you want to start. You niggas know I assassinate the chalk with a dart, make sure I get the first one. Niggas know I'm on one and I'm on to the next one. Nigga, I'm flexing. No, I'm just kidding, nigga, man, I'm straight sexing. Going in, you niggas know I go in again. Try to sit before, man, I'm sipping the gin in the goose. I gotta get that goosey loosey. That's right, man, I'm gonna fuck that coochie good. I heard this chick is from the hood. She does thing a woman she really should. So you niggas better give up. That's right, you trying to live up. The only thing you gonna fucking do is shit up. Now I made you look, you still a slave to a page of my rhyme book. You niggas straight crooks. No, you ain't a crook, you just shook. Get your life fucking took, half the soul dropping. Niggas know I'm locked in this beat. Niggas see me in the beat, I'm rolling and trolling. You niggas know that I'm straight bowling. No, I'm fooling, you niggas just drooling, saying, how does he do this? Yeah, I don't even know how I do this. I guess it's something that's straight from my mind. I'm telling your niggas to throw up surrender signs. You ain't ready for this, ain't ready for this. I spit ether into the speaker. Niggas know it comes out like a beaker. Glass in your face, you niggas know you disgrace to your whole damn race. Talking about, yeah, I'm able to win the race. No, you ain't, nigga. You can't beat my pace. You can't beat my freestyling and wildin'. Niggas know I'm just straight styling like Shaolin and Wu-Tang. Niggas know I do my poontang. That's right, man. You can lick my pang-tang. You know what I mean? Wink, wink. That's right, man. Only thing y'all niggas do is strengthen. I keep on growing. Niggas know I'm straight blowing. Niggas know I'm straight sewing on this beat. Like I said again, niggas know I'm still a fucking sin. Look at this and this. On this beat for 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Niggas know this is time that y'all niggas is wrecking. Remember, you niggas know you get to slumber after September. Remember, I started my macro career. You niggas know that I'm course to steer. You know what I said. You niggas know I'm busted in like the feds. You must confess, nigga, I'm still the best. And I'm made you look. You niggas still get took. Life is bye-bye. You niggas know I'm so fly straight from the best side. Moxie Project. Niggas don't forget. Niggas try to neglect. No, off from Old Town to make my sound. You niggas climb acting like you going around now. I guess I'm gonna put this beat to an end. You niggas know. To every nigga you just send, share, and like this video. Niggas think I'm kidding, no. You niggas know I hope get hits on Vivo. Maybe not today or anyway. You niggas know that your niggas are still gay. I'm a Facebook crook and I'm still rapping and tapping. Niggas know I'm straight gapping, you capping, cause you niggas is lacking, acting like I'm rapping. Yeah, I'm doing this shit. Niggas know I'm good at this shit. Niggas know I pull clips, thank you like ships. Hope you niggas is denying I'm flying. Niggas know I'm being a guy from Best Dying. Niggas know that I ain't lying. I'm chopping you niggas up like a lion. Niggas know I'm attacking. Niggas know I'm a liker cause I'm so mixed with this shit. You niggas know I still flip the bricks. I flip the tits to the ditch cause you wanna be a snitch. Niggas know I just give you a stitch cause you really wanna call. Run your mouth. You niggas know straight from the motherfucking down south. You niggas know who it is. I still run the bitch. Rockefeller niggas know I'm doing better. I'm checking chatter. Niggas know you crew posted up in some letters. So give up. Like I said before, niggas never gonna be able to live up. You niggas the shit up. That's right, man. Niggas know who it is. I still go ham. I'm staying in the stands. Fuck this shit. Damn. I'm just too good at this.